So Alejandra, tell me a little bit about Thompson Traders' new introduction for this market.
I'm so excited to share our new launch for High Point Market. It's called the Kintsugi Collection. So it's inspired by the Japanese art form of kintsugi. And what they have done in Japan for centuries is they'll take broken pottery and mend it back together using gold in the seams. And these pieces of pottery are actually much more valuable after they've been mended than before. And so we took inspiration from this. We didn't break our kitchen sinks, of course. We took inspiration from this and we worked with a local artist, Trevor Waring. And he's actually taking a Dremel to our Fireclay kitchen sinks and creating these kintsugi patterns and lines on the apron front and then filling them in. So we have 3 versions, one with 23 karat gold, another version with fine silver, and then the last version is filled in with copper. We also have 3 different designs of kintsugi, if you will. So the most bold, one that's a little more medium, and one that's lighter. And because we're Thompson and we love custom, what we have done with this collection is you can mix and match. You can say, I want the bold design with the gold, or I want the medium design with the copper inlay. And then finally, if you want to, you could send us your own design and we could create that on the apron front for you. So we're very excited to bring in a new material, but still have our forte, which is metals, and bring that into kitchen sinks in a different way.